The young man was not responsible for the death of your son.
Then it must be his father, Ofoma, his wicked father.
Ofoma did not have a hand in the death of your son.
Who killed my son then?
Your son, Emeka, was not killed by any man or woman. He died out of carelessness.
Ofoma. Ofo. Ofo.
It's Albert. I'm surprised to see you here.
Why?
Ever since Uju brought you over, have you been coming to my house again?
Nobody brought me over. I was only saying the truth. Even if Amaka was impregnated before Emeka got married to her, it's not enough to deny the little boy Afam what his father left behind. That is my stand.
Okay, I have more important issues to attend to.
But I've not told you why I'm here.
Be fast, make it snappy. I'm all ears. I talk. What is it?
It's because of Samuel and Amaka. Ofoma, if you kill out of anger, you will definitely bury because of the purgent order.
Why?
I want you to reconsider and change your minds, you and your wife, before it is too late.
Why?
The world has changed. Nowadays, parents no longer choose for their children whom to marry and whom not to marry in terms of marriage.
Ichie Albert, if Samuel happens to be your son, would you permit him to marry a loose woman? Would you?
Well, of course. I will let him marry a loose woman if that will make him happy.
That is you. I, Ofoma, will not do that. I will not go back to my vomit. That is my stand.
Have you considered the implication of this?
When I die tomorrow, my age group will bury me.
Ofoma, this is not a case of who will bury you or not. We're talking about what happens when you are no more. Who will inherit your property? That is the issue.
Ichi Albert, when a man dies, everything dies with him as well. Yes.
How many times have I not come here? Send me your account details. Why are you bugging my life? What are you doing here?
Sammy, please. Please, forgive me, Sammy, please. I'm begging you.
You're begging me for what? You and I are not compatible. Do yourself a favor. Get yourself another husband. Someone that befits, someone that needs you. I don't need you.
Sammy, look at what you're saying, Sammy. Sammy, look at me. I'm not getting any younger. Who will marry me now, Sammy?
Someone will marry you. The bone of your bone will marry you, not me.
Sammy, please. Sammy, please.
Excuse me. I don't want to be hard on you. Don't push me. I don't want to be hard on you. Don't push me.
Sammy. Sammy, no, you can't do this.
Just send me your account details.
Sammy, please, now marry me. Sammy, marry me. Sammy, you must marry me. Sammy must marry me. Sammy must marry me. Sammy, please. Sammy, marry me. Sammy, go on.
Send me your account details. Let me settle you.
Sammy, please, you must marry me. You must marry me. You must marry me. You must marry me. Sammy, please, you must marry me. Sammy. God will punish you. Sammy, God will punish you. Sammy, you must marry me.
Ezeonu amolora. Obusekwa gị. You have kept quiet for too long. You were not a weakling when you were alive. You cannot be a weakling now. If it is true that no man or woman born of a woman had a hand in your death, I will accept it. But if a man or a woman or men or women, mortal or mortals, had a hand in your death, may they all drop dead. Vanity upon vanity. All is vanity. Hey. How?
Emeka, good afternoon, ma. Amara, thank you.
How is your family?
We are fine. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
I hope you've not been crying. Why your face is like this? Huh?
Do I still have tears in my eyes?
The truth is that no amount of tears that will bring back the dead. Huh? Stop crying, oh?
Yes.
It's okay.
Vanity upon vanity. All is vanity.
Mama Emeka, something happened to me in the farm yesterday.
Stop! I am not here to hurt you. Go to my mother and tell her to stop crying. No man or woman has a hand in my death. Tell her also to stop disturbing me. She should allow me to rest. I am happy where I am. Do not fail to deliver my message.
But he says he's happy where he is. He's happy. So stop crying. Don't kill yourself.
I have accepted my fate. Perhaps I am not destined to have a child.
Mama Emeka, you are not childless. You are not childless at all. Afam is your grandson. What his father could not do for you, Afam will do it for you. Own them. Did you hear me? Stop crying. Oh, you are not childless. Hey. It's okay. Sorry. Let me take my leave, Take care, oh.
Thank you for coming.
Oh, no, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Emeka, Ogenekwa. Eh? What is it? You are crying again. Okoya? You promised me that you will not cry again, and you're here all alone. Eh? Facing the road. Ogene.
I've accepted my fate. If there's anything like reincarnation, in my next life, I will not even conceive. Not to talk of losing a child.
It will not happen again. Eh? Chico.
We are all aware of what Ofoma and his wife did to their son.
Yes.
We have to make haste and reconcile them with their son before it is too late. I can't even make it ever.
Albert. Welcome. Let us do the needful and solve that problem.
Do you have his phone number?
You mean Samuel's phone number?
Yes.
Yes, I have it.
Okay, in that case, we have to go to the city early morning tomorrow.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly my thoughts.
Let us go now buy airtime on the way.
Yeah, make sure you call him.
I will early morning when I buy airtime. My credit, I didn't know that my credit is finished.
All the time. Actually. Yeah.
I understand how you feel. But you have to be very careful before you say something you will regret later.
Ada, if he does not like where he is, let him do something.
He will. He will if those responsible for his death have not buried charm in his grave.
But the native doctor told me that no mortal had a hand in his death.
And you believed him. You believed him when it is obvious that Ofoma and his son Sam killed Emeka. Here! Emeka teta kwa n'ụra.
There is no
Joey, get me.
I got.
Hey, go get that dog. Go. Who are you? We are Sam's case men.
Yes.
We are here to see him.
Umona.
Umona. We are here to see him.
Oh, okay. Who is my Oga? My Oga knows when I go see him.
Ogene. Let them in.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Sam? Sam?
Welcome.
Sam? He's here.
Who they want to talk about?
Sam?
Do you mean that the native doctor lied to me?
Of course, yes. He lied to you. But don't worry. I will take you to a powerful native doctor. Last bus stop. You don't have to disturb yourself.
I don't know what else to believe.
Yeah. Emeka, I'm not forcing you to believe anything. If you like, you believe and follow me. You don't want to go there, no problem. But always remember that what happened to your son, Emeka, can as well happen to your grandson. ịgbara aka nwa. Ezinụlọ di gị ochie. You will carry your bag at your old age and go back to your father's house. If that's what you want, no problem. I didn't tell you anything.
Okay, Chi, what is it? Eh? Why are you sitting there? Why are you bothering your life? Hmm? Why are you bothering your life this much? What is the problem?
Why won't I bother myself? Can I conceive now and give birth to another son?
Okay, Chi. I want to ask you something. What of those women that have lost all their children? They don't even have one. Huh? And what of those ones that did not even have any child at all? Have they killed themselves? It will
not be well with her, Emeka. It can never be well with her.
See, my wife, whenever a man dies, everything about him dies with him. Forget about these things. Just forget. Stop bothering yourself. Let's go inside. Don't bother yourself. Let's go. What about the Kanyara? I'm on the
Sam, Emma Nashi Lepo Nango, Lebuata. We are here because we want you to reconsider your step towards going to marry Emeka.
Yes, Sam. If
Emeka is marriageable, all Akobike family will support you to marry her.
Good.
Yes.
Well, I heard all you said, my kinsman. But I do not need your support. I'll marry Emeka with or without your support.
Sam, how many times did I call you? You cannot marry Emeka.
Mothers, please, with all due respect, can I ask you one question? Amongst you, is there anyone here who married out of his wish?
No.
Thank you. So please, allow me marry my wish.
I'm not just away with somewhere. Have you forgotten that Emeka is seen mourning her late husband? For you to marry a man looking at him,
Sam, how many times have I called you? You cannot marry Emeka whether you like it or not.
You cannot.
We are kinsmen are not in support of it. What's that about?
Emeka, you are dead. Go away from my house.
Your sister stood by me when I was sick. And even now that I am dead, Emeka has not stopped loving me. She is too young to remain unmarried. Please allow her to marry the man she loves. It was a mere coincidence. None of them has a hand in my death.
What?
Yes. I need you to give her all the support she needs.
How? Which support?
I'm here on behalf of your sister. Please forgive her. Huh? The deed has been done. If you disown her now, it will not change anything.
She's a fool. And thunder will fire her. It's more like Obo.
Nah, the ways of the gods are not the same with the ways of men. Let us not sentence to death someone whom the gods has not deemed fit to kill.
Amara, you and I are no strangers in this village. We know that it's a taboo for a woman that is still putting Akwojo to open her legs, jaye her legs for another man.
I know. Oh, that is why you must do the needful to salvage the situation before the god strikes her dead.
And the gods must surely strike her dead. The gods will strike her dead.
Oh, she's your sister. Take it easy.
And so? And so? Because she's my sister, I will be condoning her when she's committing an abomination.
It's not what I said.
Amara, if you are done soliciting for her, you can leave. Please, I am not in a good mood. You can go.
Should go.
Oh, you're done now. Where was it, Chyko?
Remember, if it's go. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We have seen that nothing is new in this world. I want us to take it to be that whatever we're experiencing now is not new. True of us. It has happened before us. So I want us to create a room to accept what is before us. And that is the love between Samuel and Amaka. The love truly exists. Having said this, please, I want us to accept what we are saying before us. Let us give him our full support so that peace will reign. Mama,
I am fully in support of what you have just said now.
As for me, Sam, please have my blessing.
We later found out that there was nothing going on between you and Amaka during her time of mourning, as we accused you. And now, we are giving you our consent.
Go ahead.
Albert. My son.
Yes, Papa.
Ndi bosi na ya na more belirus. I was really ignorant of the whole thing. And because of that, I've been rendering series and series of accusations. Yeah. I'm sorry, my son. I was doing it blindly. You have my blessings.
Thank you.
You will see your children's children.
Yes, sir.
Nothing will happen to the preparation.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
My elders.
Akubife family. You have my blessing, my son.
My sister.
Oh, I see this.
It shall be well with both of you. God will bless you with children.
For